ako nag-start na.
Covers PH.
Ano ka na video?
Wala pa lang. Ganda ka pa.
Alam sa'yo.
I have often dreamed of a far-off place where heroes welcome might be waiting for me, where the crowds will cheer when they see my face, and a voice keeps saying, "This is where I'm meant to be." I'll be there someday. I can go the distance and I'll find my way. If I can be strong, I know every mile will be worth the while. When I go the distance, I'll be right where I belong. Down an unknown road to embrace my fate. Though the road may wander, it will lead me to you. And 1,000 years would be worth the wait. It may take a lifetime, but somehow I'll see it through. And I won't look back. I can go the distance, and I'll stay on track. No, I won't accept defeat. It's a downhill slope, but I won't lose hope. Hold the distance, and our journey is complete. But to look beyond the glorious and heart is blind, for his strength is measured by his like a shining star. I can go the distance, I will search the world. I will face its walls, I don't care how far. I can go the distance till I find my hero's
Ano yun sa mga?
Mag-Power Ranger.